So friends, welcome to a new XRP update video. It's Friday, so it's time to take a look at the XRP chart again. We're currently trading at 244. I don't really like the chart itself. There's still a lot to pick up on the downside, and we have a few negative signs that I don't really like either. But I have to say, in the last 2 days or now in the new year, the ISO coins are really pumping again. Of course, Trump's inauguration is just around the corner. Now in a little over a week, we've, let's say, taken out the most important resistances on the upside for now. Still, one should be extremely cautious here, especially in the next few hours. We're definitely going to take a look at the chart now. But before we start, feel free to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and of course, join the free Telegram Talk and Signal group. If you're interested in updates, news, and signals, feel free to join in. And if you want to buy, trade, or stake XRP, you can do all of that at my partner exchange, BingX. You can find the link in the video description, in the comment section. That way you support the channel and of course me as well. So XRP at 244. I'm still on my stance that we're definitely going to head towards 1.65 sooner or later. And for that, there are currently two indicators. Number one, of course, we now have this first correction wave or the second correction wave completed with no lower low. This means we still have a lot of liquidity lying around here and we've broken through the SMA upwards for now. Second correction wave completed with lower low. That means we still have a lot of liquidity lying around here and we've broken through the SMA upwards for now. That's this purple line. We've broken through the monthly pivot at 228. But, and here's the big but, I really don't like the volume at all. So you can see here that the volume, of course, is absolutely horrendously low over the holidays, but it hasn't really increased in the last few days either. At the same time, we already have the first bearish divergence on a 4-hour basis, which I don't really like. It doesn't mean that we can't still go up towards 250 or even 258. So that's definitely still in play for looking similar. We've got a solid volume spike here. We've reached this high in the last few hours. So that means we have a bearish divergence here with decreasing volume, which isn't really bullish. So then the third point that bothers me a bit is the funding rates, which are still absolutely okay, but have been rising steadily in the last few hours. We're already back at 0.02%, which indicates that more long positions are slowly but surely coming into the market, and the chart reflects this impulsive behavior. Even though there's not really much volume in the market, it suggests more for long positions. The rising open interest isn't really bullish, so I'm even considering opening a short position here. Still, there's a bit of hope, especially if XRP can manage to defend golden pocket down here. So if we see a sell-off towards 216 to about 220, that would be the bullish option. If we can hold that, then we can make another attempt to move upwards. If this attempt fails, I strongly believe that this will be it for the rally, and we will really see our sell-off downwards. Down here, more confluence. Former resistance area turning into support, golden pocket, and monthly pivot at 1.5. Pivot points tested as support or resistance. Around 2001, pivot gets tested, then R at 1.75. R at 2.71 could also be reached, but need more volume and bullishness. Expect a sell-off downwards in the next few days before Trump's inauguration. Risk is 5%. Spread risk with multiple entry positions higher up, but place stop loss above 258. Usually it goes to 2001. Then pivot is tested, then possibly R and then the S at 1.75. The R at 2.71 could also be reached now, but for that to happen, there would have to be a lot more volume and a lot more bullishness. Then I agree with that too. But I still expect that we will see this sell-off downwards and that it could possibly happen in the next few days, maybe even before Trump takes office. But for me, this is definitely a small short scenario that I could imagine now. In terms of risk, if you wanted to go short here, 5% would be relatively high, which means you should perhaps spread the risk a bit and make several entry positions upwards, but the stop loss must definitely be set above 258. Feel free to share your opinion in the comments. What do you all think? You say it's absolutely likely, absolutely unlikely that we'll see that 1.65 in January. Just write it down below. Otherwise, I wish you all a great day. Take care of yourselves. Have a nice weekend. Leave a like, subscribe, join the Telegram group, and we'll catch up in the next XRP update video or tomorrow's Bitcoin update. Until then, ciao, ciao, and as always, stay crippled. Tomorrow, Bitcoin update. Until then, bye-bye, and as always, stay crippled.